everyone, welcome back to my channel. So usually on the weekends I go outside with my family to get some ice cream, but this weekend was really pouring outside, so I wasn't able to go. So I thought, why don't I make some ice cream at home for my family? So today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY instant ice cream, and for that you're going to need 2 tightly sealable baggies, one smaller than the other, some ice, some salt. I'm using rock salt because that's best for this experiment, but you can use any salt you want. Some milk, again, you can use any milk you want, like cream or half and half, but I'm using skim milk. You're also going to need some vanilla extract, a glass, some sugar, some sprinkles, but the sprinkles are optional, and a spoon to stir with. Let's get started. For our first step, we're going to make our ice cream mix, and for that you're going to need 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, your spoon, a glass, and your small baggie. So the first thing we're going to do is put in our 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay? And then we're going to put in our 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. One, 2. All right, smells delicious. And now you're going to slowly mix the batter until it's all the way done. I think it's done. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your small baggie, open it up, and put it inside your glass, like so. Now this is a trick to make sure you don't spill any of your mixture. Once put in all the way, you're going to take your mixture and slowly pour it in the Ziploc. Okay, now when you're done, you're going to slowly take the top off just a little bit, close the seal, and there's your mixture in the bag. For the next step, we're going to make our ice and salt mix, and for that you're going to need your large plastic bag, 4 cups of ice, and 4 tablespoons of your salt. So let's open the bag, and let's start by putting in our ice. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to put in our 4 tablespoons of salt. Two, 3, last one, 4. Now our ice and salt mix is done. Now you're going to mix your ice and salt mix, like so. Alright? When you think that's fully mixed, you're going to take your ice cream mix out of the glass. Okay? Now you're going to put it in the bag. Alright? Now we're going to make sure there is no air inside the bag. Close it, like this, squeeze, and then zip it. And also make sure there are no gaps in your ice cream mix bag, so there are no spills inside our ice and salt mix bag. Right. There we go. Now we're gonna start shaking. I've been mixing for 3 minutes now, and the milk is actually solidifying. You have to mix really, really well, shake hard until your mix solidifies. And if your hands feel cold and numb like mine, you can go ahead and take a towel, wrap it around the bag, and shake and mix like this. Alright, I've been shaking for 5 minutes now. I don't think you can see, but I can feel that the milk has gone solid. but it's not ice cream consistency yet, so I'm gonna keep on shaking. And also, the ice is now just solid water. It's not ice anymore. Let's keep shaking. All right, I think my ice cream is done. It's solid, and the ice is just now saline water, which is actually very important in this experiment. Moment of truth. Let's see the ice cream. Okay. Whoa! So, the shape of the bag is clung on to the ice cream, and that tells you that it's done. Let's scoop it out and put it in this bowl. Yummy, yummy. Ice cream time. Scoop. This is your classic soft serve ice cream. Let's put on some sprinkles. All right, and now let's get a taste test. This is so yummy. It's just like ice cream. It's delicious. You should really try this at home. You'll love it. And it's all simple ingredients. Yummy. Now I just did vanilla with sprinkles, but you can do anything you want. You can do chocolate and strawberry, but those are just the classic flavors. You can do any type you want with any toppings you want, like fruit, chocolate, anything. Just enjoy it because this tastes delicious. So what is the science behind our instant ice cream? Well, salt is the main ingredient in this experiment. Salt itself isn't a very good heat conductor, but when it is dissolved in our melted ice, it is, and it makes saline water. Now when we take our bag of ice cream mix and put it in our ice mix bag, the milk is warmer than our ice mix. So the saline water transfers heat from the milk into the ice, making the milk solid until it freezes. And that is the basic science of the DIY instant ice cream. So when we were recording, my ice cream was sitting outside and it melted a little bit, so now it's just milk. But it still tastes delicious. Yummy! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy your ice cream. See you next time, and goodbye!